Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up with the sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. As you can see from the title, we are doing a blind box unboxing today, and I'm so excited because it is going to be featuring Hocus Pocus. This is so cute. I've seen a couple people already unbox these, and I'm really not a person that goes for blind boxes, particularly if the characters are in food form. But I did see them unboxed and I just thought they were so great, and I wanted to go ahead and add them to my collection because I don't have a lot of Halloween related pins. I actually didn't think I was going to be able to get these on time because I did pre-order them from Pink a la Mode, and they were having a little bit of trouble with their pre-orders, but fortunately they did come in time. So these are the options you can get. You can get Sarah, you can get Danny, you can get Winifred, you can get Billy, you can get Mary, and you can get Binks, which I think here is represented with a black flame candle. So there's 6 of them, so I ended up getting 8. So let's go ahead and see what the first one holds. Alright, this is pretty. I'm going to show it to you first. It'll be new for both of us, but I'm not going to know which one it is until I look at you and be like, oh yes! We have Mary. Sorry for the glare. What's this glare about? Oh, because these pins are super shiny. So this is so stinking cute. We have the vacuum, and we have the frosting is the color of her hair, and the wrap around the cupcake is patterned after her dress. So stinking cute. Box number 2. It would be a miracle if I could complete this set. But hey, stranger things have happened on this channel. Okay, right off the rip, and we have Billy Butcherson! How awesome! So cool. His tombstone is so rad. And I like that his frosting is like this grayish zombie skin color. And the wrap is this little front there. It's so cute. This is the third one. Okay. It just was facing me. Okay, so we have another duplicate Mary. That's not fun. Okay, that's why I got 8. Here we go. Box number 4. My gosh, we're speeding through these. What's going on? Who is it? Oh my god, no! Another freaking Billy. Okay, well, as the odds have it, I now have to get all of them for the rest of it to complete this set. Because I already used up 2 boxes for duplicates. So, let's see. Okay. Box number 5. And lucky. We have... My god. We are not going to complete the set today. Billy? My gosh. My guy? My gosh. Okay. If I just get the other 2 sisters, I'll be happy. But hopefully I don't jinx myself. We'll see. Number 6. Screw you, Pink a la Mode. How dare you do me dirty like this? Well, these treats have definitely turned into a trick. Oh my god. The second to last one. Wow. This is a constant reminder why I don't do these regularly. Okay, we have... Okay, finally, a new one. We have Binks, and look how beautiful this one is for the black flame candle. This beautiful purple glitter. Oh my gosh. Love that. Still doesn't really make up for the freaking 50% being Billy. My gosh. But this is a beautiful pin. I forgot how much these were retailing for, but I definitely did not get my money's worth. This is giving me flashbacks to when I did those ornament pins. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm like warm in here now because I'm just trying to keep it together. Okay, last one, and it's... Alright! We got another, looks like Chase of Binks, or the Black Flame Candle. Comment down below, which one is it? So out of 8, I only got 3 unique ones. Oh my gosh. Comment down below, are you collecting this series? Please let me know if you're willing to trade anything. I'm desperate. So if you're in need of a Billy, I have 3 to get to trade for. Or Mary, or this beautiful glitter black flame candle one. Overall, they're very nice pins. Like they're gonna look amazing. So hopefully I can trade some. Again, you can go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram if you have any of these that you're willing to trade for. Again, let me know. Are you actually going for this set? Do I have any regrets? Not really, because that is the game of it. I mean, it's essentially gambling, but it's sometimes the house is not with you. Thank you so much for joining me. Please comment down below which one of these pins I pulled today were your favorite. I hope you're having a wonderful spooky season so far. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We are actually very, very close to 300 subscribers. I am very thankful for all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. It looks like most of my new subscribers are coming from my shorts feed, so that's amazing. So please go ahead and have that notification bell set to all so you can be notified when I drop a new video like this, or of course a short, which seems to be very popular, and I do appreciate that. Please remember to be safe, tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!